Linking your bank account to eBay is an important step for managing your transactions effectively. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Sign into your eBay account. Log into your eBay account using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. From there, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the Account Settings, look for the Payments or Payment Options section. Click on it to manage your payment methods. Step 4. Add a bank account. Choose the option to add a new bank account. You will need to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, eBay may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by eBay into your bank account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your eBay account, allowing for smoother transactions.